Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to change bank account on Cash App. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So before you change or switch your bank account, make sure that you've already linked your bank account to your Cash App account. So then logged into your Cash App account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll need to click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on it, you'll be directed to your profile interface. And on this page, right in between, there is an option as linked bank where you need to click on it. This will take you to the page where you'll be able to see all the information regarding your bank account. So right over here, you need to select whether you want to remove your debit card or your bank account. In case if you're removing your debit card, then click on debit card right on top. And if you're switching your bank account, then simply click on accounts. And after that, you'll have an option to link your bank account. So once you select whether it is a bank account that you want to remove or the debit card that you want to remove, in case if you have a multiple bank account or the credit card linked to your Cash App, then you'll need to select a particular one. And in order to select, you just need to click on it. You can see that you have two different options, that is remove debit card and replace debit card. So if you want to remove your debit card or your bank account, then you need to click on remove. And after that, in order to confirm your verification, you'll need to provide your password associated with your Cash App account. And after that, you've successfully removed your bank account. And if you want to replace your debit card or your bank account, then simply click on replace debit card, which is right at the bottom. Once you replace your current bank account, and after that you need to link a new one. So for that, you need to provide the details of your bank account or your debit card. So you'll need to provide the expiry date and the CVV number and the zip code, and then click on next. Next interface, you also need to provide your account information, and after that you've switched or changed your bank account on Cash App. So that is how you can change it. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.